Oh, God. Oh, I've just had my carer come down and give me inhalation, the fixed inhalation I do. I'm so dried out. After upping the fluid tablet dosage, which I've gone back to the 2 and 2 because I couldn't cry. There's no tears. That's how dried out I am. But my head hurts. The headaches are really bad. But also the coughing. I asked yesterday, the clinical manager resigned after talking to him, asking why the air conditioners. They had an electrician come to replace faulty power points. And before WorkSafe Victoria come back this Friday, and I said, what about the air conditioner? That needs to be cleaned out from the toxic dust. Because every time we turn them on, there's a definite metallic taste, like you can taste it in the air. I've been asking for these units to be cleaned out since that happened, since the incident happened. And it's been ignored. Well, he got the electrician that did the PowerPoints, he asked them to clean it out. I witnessed this cleaning. He was shaking the filter outside and he wiped it with his top. And I said, is that the filter? And he goes, yeah. And I said, that's not cleaning. You need to wash them right out, but you need to replace it and do a deep clean of the units. I said, they've had hazardous, toxic dust filtered through them. They need to be cleaned properly. I said, I don't know what you've been told, but this is what's happened. And I'm breathing in these rooms. I need to get them cleaned properly. Anyway, my carer sees him washing them out of the sink. And again, they're not properly cleaned. Came in and he popped it back in. That's his cleaning level. They need to be serviced by a proper air conditioning company. I used to manage properties. You don't just... seriously. Anyway, I spoke to the supervising manager and she said yesterday that, that's been sorted. I said, no, it hasn't. I described what happened. My carer also added to that. She said she'll look into it. I've woken up now, struggling to breathe. You'd think that they would have done something about this, but no, that's admitting fault. So they're not bothering. If something's not done today, that'll be reported to WorkSafe Victoria. And this is, folks, luxury living in a MTA silk provision property that is so fake and just so cheap. Oh my God, when I upload the images and the video of the doorway that's supposedly repaired, it's just such shonky, dodgy tradesmen that work for this company. Fair enough. Seriously, blows my mind. Seriously, my head feels like it's going to explode. So that's literal.